As you can see, these are the firewood that we use for cooking, and also others here, as you can see. And sometimes we use this very one and we bury them here, so we burn them to get charcoal, which we sell and get money to buy food sometimes, and also use them for cooking. And this is the back view of the orphanage center foundation, and this is our latrine. But as you can see, it is in poor conditions, so we do call upon for your support towards renovating it or even reconstructing it. These are the 3 latrines, and here these are the 2 bathing rooms as you can see. Yeah, it is in the poor condition, so we do call upon for your support. Poor hygiene, we need your support, please, brothers and sisters. Contribute anything you can for the reconstruction of our latrine at the orphanage center. May God bless you. Peace and love and blessings to you all.